Now, you know why we have come here. We had a small little talk about this, and as you can see the banner, we had already started a young leadership forum, a club. But today we're going to highlight and focus on the young girls' leadership. There are a lot of things and issues which you need to know and you need to be aware of, and so we have decided, for which we are very grateful to Mr. Ashank Desai, who has taken a lot of pains to see that our school in general, along with all of you all, we are on the right perspective in going towards the right leadership training. All this is in memory of our beloved student, Avanti Desai. She has been in our school for several years, and after leaving, she has been into the field of leadership and into various training, and since her work has been left incomplete, it is you who are going to complete this task. I know you're all excited, you're all very happy to know, because this is the first time and probably the first school in the city who is planning out something of this kind. I know you have your Duke of Edinburgh IAYP leadership, you have various other clubs, but this is going to create a difference, because this is meant for everybody. Today we are only beginning with the school captains, leaders, the young leaders of the 8th standard and the 9th to 12th standard students, but very soon we are going to have everybody else to be involved in this. I will not take much of your time because I will just tell you we have two eminent guests, Madam Sucheta Dalal, a name to reckon with. We all know she's a very famous journalist who has won a lot of prizes in the field of journalism. She's got her Padma Shri, she got the Woman of Substance Award by Femina, and there's plenty. So we leave it to her. She's going to talk to you, and I'm sure we are really looking forward to your talk, ma'am. And we even have our neighbor, our friendly neighbor, and she is Dr. Karuna, and she is heading the Institute of Management at IIT, which is known as the SOMS. And she has always been wanting to come to the school, and she's been saying that this is the first time I'm coming, and you're going to come always. She has also got a string of awards, and I think I'll leave all this to Mr. Desai, who has taken all the trouble. We also welcome Mrs. Desai, a nice, friendly face who lives here in the vicinity, but also has a cause for society and wants to help us out in whatever way we want. We are extremely grateful to you all, and may I hand over the mic to Mr. Desai without much ado, so please.
All of you. I am here today as father of Avanti and Padma, her mother. Both of us are here to start something different, something new, something which will make difference, hopefully, in future to young girls and society at large. I don't know how many of you know Avanti. Probably this was some time back that she was studying here. She studied 8th, 9th and 10th, and then she went to St. Xavier, and then she went to Wilson. And we were very unfortunate to lose her in a tragic accident around a year ago. So we decided that we should do something in her memory, and when we started to talking to her friends, like many of you here, one thing which was coming up again and again, and that was that her ability to influence people, ability to push many of her friends to do much better than what they could do otherwise. And this was told to us by those friends later when we interacted with them. And we, in fact, didn't even know the kind of number of friends she had who poured in later. So we talked to Madam Patnaik and shared our thoughts, and she was very kind enough to agree that I think something like leadership for the for all of you would be a right way of taking her memory forward. Because today all of you study, I'm sure, study well, get good marks, and life will be very nice to all of you in future. But there is always one missing ingredient that I have found from my experience of many years, and that is that scholastic achievements is one of the pillars of success, if I may call, in whatever way in the life. The world is much larger, world expects much more things from you, and if you want to make a difference to society, difference to parents, difference to wherever you work, then there is one more quality that is very much needed, is a quality of leadership, quality of take initiatives, quality of influencing people to perform at much higher level. And I think the movement that we are starting in a small way, this is the first step, is to make this happen in some form over years to come. And I am overwhelmed by the response. I am just back from Wilson College where we had a similar function, and the people there were, in fact, some of them have come and said, we'll do it for many more colleges now. In fact, one of the guests there said that, I'll help you to see we can do it all over. And so on. So I think there is some traction here, there is some energy here to make these things happen. So with that in mind, we are kicking it off here because it happens to be her birthday yesterday, 8th of November. And it's Sunday, so we decided to do it today. So that's the way it is going to be. Now, what we are doing today here is, as I said, launch of this event, and we have, what is a better way of doing it than inviting our best women leaders who are setting an example, because it is best to set an example, hear from them. I don't know how many of you were there when I talked to them. They were from the same class? Or?
Yes.
They were, yeah. So some of you I have interacted with, I think, on 30th of September when I had come and talked about leadership and asked your opinion as to how to make this leadership happen. And I can tell you, there are so many of ideas we got from them. They told us what we need to do. So based on your ideas, based on interaction with all of them is what we are trying to move this forward. So the format today we have is that we have speakers whom I'll introduce soon, and then we have a workshop kind of scenario, which also I'll introduce them when we start. So that's the kind of 2-hour format that we have, and we want this interaction to happen between them and you during next 1 or 2 hours. Now let me introduce to you the 2 distinguished speakers that I have. First, immediately left to me, right of me, is Sucheta Dalal. Sucheta, I am not going to introduce too many things about her because I think I have to give her some time to speak. Otherwise, it will, we will not get time to speak. So, but I will quickly tell her. Of course, she is an LLB, LLM from Bombay University. She was in Fortune India magazine, then Business Standard, Economic Times, financial editor of TOI, and columnist of Indian Express. This was her past achievements. Because I wanted her specially here because of 2 reasons. One of the reasons is she is a distinguished journalist, which is what Avanti wanted to become. She always looked at her as one of the leaders she would like to interact with, which unfortunately did not happen, but she comes from the field of journalism. She has also written books. One of them is a famous book called Scan, Harshad Mehta to Chetan Parekh. There is a biography of A.D. Shroff she has written, and a nice book called Pathbreakers, volume 1 and 2. She is also on Investor Protection and Education Fund of GOI, Primary Market Advisory Committee of SEBI, and so on the list can go. But I think what I want to introduce to you her are 2 things. One is this is a leader, with a courage. If I have to point out one person who single-handedly demolished a well-known financial entities, I don't want to name them here, who were not doing ethical practices, here was a person who single-handedly opened up that whole case of Harshit Mehta and others, and we all know what happened after that. But what it required was a courage. And that courage she does not lack at all, I can tell you that. And she has continued that with many others. So if there is anything which is unjust in society, unethical in financial and corporate area, I think we can always bank on Sucheta to make it happen. Sucheta, thanks for what you have done. Personally, I am very proud of that. The second part, of course, which is related to the courage, just courage is not enough. Courage is just is one part. It is also important to be excellent in what you do. So our investigative journalism goes to so many details and so perfect that, in fact, large business magnates that I talked about are really, look at an awe, saying that, if they do anything which is not right, she will uncover it very systematically. They are aware. So I think it is also about doing the job in a systematic way. And these are the qualities we need for leaders. So we invited her. No wonder, as Patnaik said, she has also been awarded as Padma Shri in 2006. Let's give her a big hand. Next to her, we also have another distinguished leader. Her name is Karuna Jain. She is head of Shailesh Mehta School of Management of that famous institute IIT that all of us would always like to get into and find it very difficult these days at least. I'm sure many of you want to get in IIT. So here is a person from that IIT Bombay that is. She is heading the business school there. She has done PhD from IIT Kharagpur, and she has also done faculty development program at IIMA, and she is at IIT Bombay for last 20 years, and she took over recently to head this institute. And the business school, or Shailesh Mehta School as we call it, is an upcoming institute, and he is bringing it at a level. So I think my mobile, I forgot to switch it off, unfortunately. So she is working tirelessly, I am aware, because I am involved with that school very closely. I am involved with the IIT system very closely, and I really admire, because one thing she is always concerned about, that she says that, we need to have our own position. See, every leader tries to make their organization, their institute the best, completely different, so that they can show what they are good at. Because if the institution looks like any other institution, then there is what is special about it. People can go anywhere else, right? Why should they come to Shailesh Mehta School? So I can see in her the passion to make this happen, which is the quality of a leader. And she is always pushing all of us. Every time when I call us, I am always worried that she will tell me to come to IIT, which although very near